You could also add more combo products to your store by just clicking the add new button right here. And here it will ask you, would you like to add one combo product or bulk combo products? So if you click bulk import, you will be able to download our import template right here. And once you download the import template, you'll be able to fill it out and then re-upload it back right here. Either drag and drop it, or you could click and browse your computer and you'll be able to select the file from your computer. Once done, and once you click confirm, then it will be able to show you all the products that you've added from the CSV file, and all of them are going to be imported automatically into your store. Now, if you click one combo, this means you just want to add manually one combo product to your PIM master list. So once you click on it, you'll see this page, and in this page you will be able to fill it out. You'll give a SKU number to your combo product, and then you select the status as active if you want to map this product to a channel, and if you want to sync it, then the status has to be active. You want to add some tags, for example. You want to give it definitely a title to the combo product, and you also want to add the description, which is optional, add an image, which is optional, and then fill out these details right here, the dimensions and the weight of the product. Now, in this section right here where it says combined SKUs, this is where you combine multiple single products into the same combo product. So once you click add SKU, now here you could select the SKU that you would like to select and add into your combo product and into your package. Let's say we want to add 4 units of this product into the same package, into the same box. So this is how you could do that. This is just a read field. It shows you how many available in stock inventory do you have. Whatever you have in this single product will show right here. So if you want to change this number, you'd have to go into your inventory count and change and modify your available quantity for this single SKU. Once you're done with all of this information, you would scroll down to the bottom and click add item. So this is how you basically add a combo product into your PIM master list.